Mastering will like with gerunds. Future tense magic. Hello there, wonderful learners. In today's video, we'll unlock another important aspect of expressing our likes in English. Using will like with gerunds in future tense. This might sound complex, but we promise it's a lot simpler than you think, and it's a fantastic way to enhance your conversational English skills. Before we dive into will like with gerunds, let's make sure we have a solid understanding of what will like means. When we use will like, we are talking about something we believe we are going to enjoy or find appealing in the future. For example, I think I will like the new movie that's coming out next week. Here, will like indicates a future preference or enjoyment. Now, let's quickly refresh what gerunds are. Gerunds are words that are formed with verbs but act as nouns. They always end in ing. Examples: I like reading books. Here, reading is a gerund. Now, here comes the fun part: using will like and gerunds together. When we use will like with gerunds, we are expressing something that we believe we are going to enjoy doing in the future. The formula is quite simple: will like plus gerund, verb plus ing. For example, I think I will like learning French. Here, will like learning tells us about a future enjoyment or preference. Let's look at some more examples. I think you will like trying this new recipe. She believes they will like playing at the new playground. We hope you will like watching our next video. Notice how all these examples involve a future activity that the subject believes will be enjoyed. Practice makes perfect, so try making a few sentences on your own using will like with gerunds. And that's a wrap, folks. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to express your future likes using will like with gerunds. It's a small but mighty tool in your English language toolkit. Remember to practice and, most importantly, have fun while learning. Until next time, keep exploring and expressing your likes in English in different tenses. Happy learning!